Hey you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. This is your first time with me. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring the bell, and I will support you back. You know I will. Sorry, I'm just putting on a little bit of my Illness hand cream, body cream, because I'm a little bit dry. Happy Halloween, everybody. Happy Halloween. And I was unable to do the Halloween collab with some of my friends, so I just figured I would come on and do like a pretty quick tutorial on I've had some questions on how I apply certain foundations, and I wanted to kind of clear that up and just I don't know, just do a really speed through tutorial. This is a work style tutorial. I do have to go to work, so it will be fast, and I don't know, we'll see what happens. So if you guys are interested in this, you haven't seen the final look yet, I just figured I'd surprise you guys. You know the drill. Keep on watching. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have you all zoomed in and up close and personal with my face. I have a zit right here that I've been trying to pop on the corner of my mouth. It's like the weirdest place to get a zit, and like I've been popping it, and it's just, yeah. Her name is Gina, and she just will not go away. She's driving me nuts. So I've already laid down a primer, and I actually used the primer that we got in the Ipsy Ultimate, and this is the Unicorn Glow. I really love that primer. It reminds me of my MAC Prep and Prime base, and it's really good for basically any foundation. So I'm going to spray a little bit of this Pixie Skin Treats. This is the one that we got in Ipsy a while back. This is the hydrating one. It's the Glow Mist. I'm going to spray a little bit of this on. I'm going to pat it in with a blender. We're just going to throw this in fast forward, and I'm going to get ready as fast as I possibly can, because yes, I got about 30 minutes, so I think I can do it. So here we go, fast forward. I'll put everything down here at the bottom so you can see what I'm using, and yeah, I got on my ears because it's Halloween. So we'll see if they make it to work. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them to work or not. We'll see. So here we go with a speed through full face tutorial. Before I start my foundation, I've had some people ask me about the Rimmel, the Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable foundation. It is an amazing foundation. I've gotten some people to actually buy this, and one of my favorite people on YouTube and just in general is Gingerard, and I recently found out that this is one of her faves too, and I think that's awesome because I found this a while back and I was like begging everybody to get it, and some of the people who have gotten it have had a hard time with the application. I kind of apply it in two different ways. So yeah, so we're gonna move on with it now. So here we go, we're gonna apply this. It can be applied with a brush first, and then it's buildable, so you can go back over the spots. This is just the way I do it because it's comfortable for me. Like I have some trouble covering here and a couple of places in the forehead. I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my face, so I try to hit those spots again because I feel like it really does do the job when you go back over it with a blender. Plus it picks up any excess product that, you know, might be just kind of sitting on the skin, because I know that that was one of the complaints that I was hearing, is that some people were having excess product on their skin. It was like it was sitting on their skin. you can just go back over it and it just looks amazing. I could build this up 2 or 3 more times if I wanted to, and it would still look awesome. So it just makes the skin have a really nice natural look to it. You can still see underneath. I'm not staying having a foundation on my lips. So while I'm waiting, I'm going to put some of my Laneige sleeping mask on my lips, and this is just something that's going to help them just stay kind of hydrated. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and do some concealing and use my KKW, and I'm going to conceal the way I normally do, and we're just going to play fast forward through the rest of this. I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about that foundation for a minute because I know people have been asking. So here we go with the rest of this speed tutorial, Halloween style. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look. This was me busting out a surprise at the end. This is the Alluring, the limited edition Huda lippy from Allure. And yeah, I think it turned out beautiful. So if you like this video, let me know. Let me know how this look is. I think it's perfect for Halloween, for work. The lips are a little loud, but it'll be all right. Thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring bell, and I will support you back no matter what. You guys know I love you, but I will not argue with you. And I will see you guys on my next video.